She's gone away. So I know she's. Sugar.